Hello, my name is Sonia Novik, and I'm your host with Beyond the Living is my show on the internet. And Lily, I am forever grateful to you. I am forever in debt to you. I have taken Lily's course, and actually she's doing it on my show for the 8th week now, and this is a life transforming to the molecular DNA level of your being if you so choose. This course has actually transformed me into a manifester. I manifest things within 5 minutes now. Whereas in the past, I was listening to hypnotherapy abundance CDs and ended up on the street. So that just gives you a clue of how deep and how powerful and how scientific this course is, and is a must, absolute must take. So whoever is listening to this video, you must take this course if you want to transform your life from your life of fear to your life of your desires and your dreams becoming manifest. Thank you, Lily.